Hey guys, I got another creamy pasta sauce for you. You'll need 1 avocado, half of a cucumber, a half a cup of soaked chickpeas, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon of oregano leaves, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper, or you can even use cayenne, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, and you'll also need 1/3 of a bag of kelp noodles. If you're using kelp noodles and you're not going to substitute it out for some zucchini noodles or pasta noodles, you'll definitely need 2 tablespoons of baking soda because you'll be soaking those kelp noodles in the baking soda to make sure they're extra soft and nice and enjoyable. So to prepare the kelp noodles, what you want to do is take the noodles out of the package and gently pull them apart a little bit. Next, you're going to add water and add the water until the kelp noodles are totally submerged with the water. Then you're going to add about 2 tablespoons of baking soda. The baking soda is the trick in this. The baking soda is going to make sure those kelp noodles get nice and tender. And what you want to do is soak the kelp noodles for about 30 minutes. Definitely don't go over the 30 minutes because what I've found is there are some sites out there that are recommending soaking those kelp noodles overnight, and you don't want to do that because you're going to end up with soggy noodles. So just soak those kelp noodles for about 30 minutes and you'll be good to go. So now let's cut the avocado and get rid of the seed, and then we're going to set that aside and get ready for the cucumber. Now we're going to cut the cucumber in half and then slice it into about 1/4 inch pieces. Let's go ahead and put that aside, and now we're adding all of the ingredients into the food processor except for the kelp and baking soda, the cucumber, the red pepper flakes, none of those things. We just want to add a half of the chickpeas, the avocado, and then all of the spices. Now what we're going to do is pulse that bad boy until it's nice and smooth and creamy. Yep, it's nice and creamy. It's ready for our noodles. All right, checking the noodles. As you can see, the kelp noodles are tender and ready for our sauce. All right, guys, so now let's go ahead and add the kelp noodles to the meal planning container. Then I'm going to go ahead and pour my delicious creamy sauce all over it. I love the garlic hints that I'm getting, and the avocado is really a great base for this creamy sauce. Now let's add some chickpeas, let's add some red pepper flakes, and let's add the cucumber as well. And there you have it, guys, an easy, delicious vegan meal. It's super creamy, it's super delicious. I love making this ahead of time, and you know what? I'm ready to eat this right now. But seriously, guys, I'm on Instagram, I'm on Facebook. If you want to see what I'm doing there, I share daily recipe ideas, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.